So there's some basic editing that you can do. The first thing that we'll take a look at is renaming or looking at the properties of an object. So if I was to come into here and we take a look at this information, you can see that I've got some data down here. This is a 3D polyline, so I can select that 3D polyline, right click, and I can look at the properties of it. Now going into the properties of it, you'll see here that I can rename the object. So I could call this, building pad. Some other things I can do is I can change the line style or the layer that's assigned. You'll notice that I cannot though edit the geometry of this particular 3D polyline. Now some other things I can do as well, if it's a 2D polyline, you'll see like this contour line, for example. That is something that I can edit. Over here you can see that I can do the same thing. I can call this a contour line, or change the line style, change the layer, but you'll notice that I can change the elevation. So a 2D polyline or a CAD polyline, you do have the ability to raise or lower the elevation of that particular object. So unless it's a 2D polyline, you cannot edit it. So like even down here, this is a 3D polyline. Like in this case here, you'll see that it's a 3D polyline and I'm not able to edit that object. But from a property standpoint, depending on what it is, you're able to come in and modify some of those properties. So here I can change the text style, I can change the height, I can actually even change the information of what's in here. So this could be a call out versus a general note. So there is some limited editing capabilities you can do through the properties dialog box.